My name is Jose Villablanca, the founder and CEO of HolyFit, which is an employee engagement company. We started as a fitness company, and now we are starting HolyBiz, which is short for holistic business. And we are focusing on service solopreneurs, just like myself, as a personal trainer. So today we're going to interview one of my coaches, right? He is manned at a commercial gym, which we're shooting in right now. And I'm here to help him grow his business, gain more clients, and help people improve their lifestyle through his services. So if you have any questions, if you want to be featured, if you want to learn more, stay tuned and let's go watch this video.
Hi, I'm Jason Navarra, and I've been a coach for 15 years, and I am glad to help you.
What is your number one struggle when it comes to building your business, gaining clients, whatever it may be? Ano yung number one gusto mong gawin ngayon?
Ang struggle ko yun, medyo nahihirapan tayo makakuha ng clients.
Okay. So, ikaw yung coach sa amin ngayon, nagtatrain sa isang corporate building, no? Sa isang kumpanya. And nakaka-train ka lang habang hindi sila nagtatrabaho. So, either before work, lunch break, or after work, tama?
Yes.
Okay. So, gusto mo magkaroon pa ng clients. Pero since ito ay hindi itong commercial gym na maraming tao pumupunta, mas konti yung mga tao na pwede mong kausapin, tama?
Yes. Kaya nag-struggle din talaga ako sa pagkuha ng mga client. Kasi nga, limited lang talaga yung napunta dito sa gym since corporate. So, limited. Kaya medyo struggle din talaga. Tapos, yun ang isa sa dahilan.
Okay, so during those times, ito yung advice ko sa'yo kanina. Email natin ang buong building kasi hindi natin alam kung ilang employees dito. Sabihin na natin, 1,000 employees dito sa building na to. Email mo sila, "Hi guys, my name is Coach Jason. These are my credentials." Diba? Boxing, conditioning. These are my credentials, 15 years of experience. I'd love to see you at the gym. Kasi di ba sinabi mo, hindi naman lahat ng employees pumupunta dito?
Yes.
O, yan. Either nahiya sila or wala silang motivation, di ba? So your job as a personal trainer is to motivate them to come to the gym. Alright? And I always tell this to people, huwag kayo mahiya sa binibenta nyo. Kasi ang binibenta mo ay improvement sa kabuhayan nila. Tama ba?
Yes.
Another tip I suggest you do is, ilang years ka na dito, Coach?
1 year.
1 year. Okay. Every single month, so, di ba, nagpa-free session ka na, magpapa-assessment tayo. You do a fitness assessment, you do weigh-in, so you tape measure mo sila, and then sabihin mo, sige, kung hindi nila afford yung personal training, sige, ito na lang, work out on your own, ito yung program na pwede ko ibigay sa'yo, or follow this YouTube channel, libre lang to. After 1 month, i-assess mo sila. Alright, when you reassess them, wala pa ring results, dun ako nakakabenta personally. So, lahat ng consultation ko or free sessions ko, hindi ko sila nababenta. Yung iba nababenta ko. And I help them achieve their fitness goals. Yung iba, hindi pa nila nakita yung value. So, hindi sila muna bibili sa'yo. Baka namamahalan. Right? So, your job is to show them the value of how much you charge. So, every single month, magpapa-reassessment ka. Lahat hindi mo mababenta. But if you keep doing this, month 1, month 2, month 3, month 4, wala nag-iiba sa katawan nila, maybe eventually they'll buy from you. If you have a program to bring people in, mas baka dadami. Another tip I can give you is referrals. Lahat ng tinetrain mo, kilala ka na nila. Sir, ma'am, baka may gusto kang dalhin dito na ka-office mate mo or ka-department mo or friend mo dito sa office. Mag-free training po tayo. Kayong dalawa, libre yun. Basta dala ka na ng session. Ngayon, may chance ka maging client yun.
Yeah.
So, it's easier to sell to someone na kakilala mo na.
As a coach, no, yun napansin ko rin. Nasanay tayo na pag hindi na kumuha, parang...
Wala na.
Wala na.
Wag!
Tapos babalikan na lang pag yung gusto uling pakunin.
Yeah, wag.
Ganun yung nangyayari sa fitness industry natin.
Huwag ka maging complacent. Kunwari, hindi na sila bumabalik. Sir, ma'am, hindi na kita nakikita sa gym. Balik po kayo. Pag lagi mong kinukulit and you have their number, sige, kunwari, hindi mo nabenta. Sir, sige, okay lang. Basta balik ka dito 3 times a week and I promise you'll see results. Sige. May downtime ka naman, di ba? Pag walang clients, dyan mo sila yung message. Sabihin, ang galing ni Coach Jason, grabe, naalala niya talaga ako. Sige, bili na ng sessions. Your job is to entice them to come to the gym. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with what we're selling. We're selling a lifestyle improvement. It's up to us to show them the value na lang. So yun yung payo ko sa'yo. Downtime mo, start talking to people, start building up a list, start doing assessments, and they will help you gain more clients.
Maganda nga yung naisip nyo na mag-set ako ng parang promotion sa taas, and then kung sino yung pupunta dito na 10 people, then mag-parapol for the 5 free sessions. Yun, maraming salamat sa dito sa ano natin sa
Thank you din, Coach.
hindi ko na masabi.
Okay lang. So book a session with Coach Jason.